I would want to be based out of the Philippines.
I mean, you can still go naman and travel.
But still be rooted here. Sure, but yeah, my heart says...
Layas na.
Yeah. Layas. Yeah. Honestly, with the current climate right now, ang hirap mabuhay sa Pilipinas.
Pero marami mga tao na hindi na gustong umalis ng bansa. Kasi mas pipiliin ilang mas malapit sa family compared sa malayo eh. Kasi pagdating natin doon, homesick yung kalaban ng bawat Pilipino.
It is interesting though, kasi ano yung ginagawa ng mga OFW pag nag-retire na sila? Babalik din sila dito.
I'm living here in the Philippines alone.
Okay.
So my families are not here. So like I would recommend anyone to come here. I actually recommend to my friends to come here. But being away from your loved ones is like, it hurts sometimes because you're kind of lonely and you need like the support. So I want to be near them. But if they're here, I mean, I would be fine working here.
Ngayon kung maayos ng government or maayos ang Pilipinas natin, wala nang mag-abroad. Maybe in the future, tayo pa yung kumuha ng mga tao sa ibang bansa na mag-work dito sa Pilipinas.